Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can find if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp application. There are multiple ways on how you can find if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. I'll go step by step on showing you how you can find if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, so you make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection before we get started. First of all, I'll show you an example, so then open up your WhatsApp application. So firstly, I'll send a message. As you send the message, you can see there's a double tick and it has been marked as seen. You can still see there is a typing indication as well. Right on top, you can see a profile icon as well as her status. In case if this certain person blocks you on WhatsApp, so what actually happens is that you'll not be able to see the profile picture, neither their status. As you can see that the profile icon and the status has been removed, which might slightly indicate that this person might have blocked you, but though you'll still be able to send messages, but he or she will not be able to receive it. So I'll show you an example. As you can see, there's only single tick which indicates that this person might be offline or this person might have blocked you. So this method might not be true all of the time. So what you can do is, in order to confirm whether he or she has blocked you on WhatsApp, I'll show you another method. Just simply go back and then tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner. From the drop down menu, tap on new group. Next, you'll have to select the members. So for now, select multiple people. Once you're done selecting the group member, tap on the arrow icon right at the bottom, and then on the other page you'll have to name a group. And once you're done creating a name, so tap on the circle icon right at the bottom. As you can see right over here, the group has been created, so then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. On the other page you have all your information, so from there you'll have to tap on add in order to add the participant. From here you'll have to select the person that you think he or she might have blocked you on WhatsApp. Once you do that, then tap on the circle icon right at the bottom. Right over here you can see there's a pop-up and it says that could not add this certain person, which indicates that this person might have blocked you on WhatsApp application. That is how you can find if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share and subscribe. Now thank you for watching.